But is it ever going to be that simple? Stephen Hyde, Dane.
The Free Syrian Army has increasingly turned away from a strategy of concentrating its forces in urban areas as a way to protect civilians, and shifted instead toward a much more classic kind of insurgent strategy and of much looser command and control. So on the one hand, we have this problem of how can we establish a measure of accountability and control if we decide to equip these guys. And on the other, we have the dilemma of recognizing that in supporting an insurgency, we're never going to get the level of accountability and control that would give us complete confidence that the people we're arming are using their weapons for purposes that we would view as legitimate.
As the debate continues, more evidence is coming to light of atrocities committed by the Free Syrian Army. One thing all analysts agree on is that even by arming the Free Syrian Army, they can't match the military might of Assad's army. And while they exchange blows, many activists on the ground still want the uprising to return to its peaceful beginnings.
The ABC's Connie Aegis. The Italian authorities say work will begin on the removing of the ill-fated Costa Concordia cruise ship in the next few weeks. The massive liner ran aground off the coast of the southern Tuscan island of Giglio in January. 32 passengers were killed and thousands of others were stranded. Last month, a Dutch company successfully removed oil from the ship's tanks, averting a natural disaster. But despite the efforts by locals to reassure the public, the ecological risk isn't over yet. Megan Williams has our report from Giglio.
So, we are visiting now Giglio Island. Giglio Island is one of 7 islands in the Tuscan archipelago. And as you can see, it is covered with granite rocks. They are magnificent.
A local tour guide describes points of interest to a group of journalists in a minivan that climbs along the main road of Giglio Island.
And also the production of wine. On these hills is also honey. It is produced because you can see right now that there are lots of flowers.
The tour is part of a promotion plan to highlight all the positives Giglio has to offer, and more to the point.